ready? Start it. Okay, plumbing tip for you. Let me show you how plumbers roll up our power cords, okay? And of course, every trade has their own way of rolling up cords, and they just know how to unravel them. And framers, I still don't know how you guys get all those little circles on there. I think it's nonsense personally, because you're the only one that knows how to undo it, roll it out. Oh, it's so easy, you just do this and that and this. But look, this is how plumbers do it. Just long, right? As long as you can. This one's I think 100 footer, so I'm just gonna walk with it. Oh, I probably pissed off framers that one, huh?
That's Brucey's hole.
Oh, Bruce went down in that earlier. That's so funny.
You can't even see it on film, but that's an actual hole.
Okay, look. So here's the magic here. So you take the excess and you wrap it around. Wrap it around. I'll go one more. Then you take that and you cinch it up like this. Then you hang this part in the plumbing van on a hook. Okay. So now, whoever you are, you're going to grab this off the hook. And I guess this is like a framer. Oh, this is all you got to do. But really, you just got to know to undo this and then undo it there. Okay. Then you walk with it, you know. So wherever you want your work, say you want your work right there, you just walk. Just walk. You walk to wherever you're just going to plug in. Alright, you're plugged in. I mean, it seems so easy, but the trick is to walk with the cord and unravel as you go. Just don't throw it on the ground and grab the end and take off. You'll have a bloody mess. So I'm going arm length, and then on my way down, I'm giving it just a little bit more. Boom, boom. So I want them nice and long. On my way down, just a little bit more. A little bit more.
If you trip in that hole again.
Oh, I was watching for it.
Real plumbers have pink extension cords. Right.
Which one of these pairs no pink? Okay, check this out. This is Chris's, by the way. Chris's like this right here.